This is a 1964 Buick Wildcat Convertible. Beautiful car. 425 cubic inch engine, new for this year. Usual power accessories, but no air conditioning. Very nice under hood area. And the color is kind of a royal blue. Nice original wheels. This had to be a banker's hot rod. Big engine, and as we check the interior, you'll see that it has the console and a 4-speed manual transmission. This is one big car, and the name is so appropriate, you know. It's kind of like an ungoverned wild animal. Beautiful blue interior. And you notice the console there, and there's the 4-speed manual with the tack at the end of the console there. This has to be pretty rare with the manual transmission. Now we check out the back end and see we have a dealer's sticker there from Minneapolis. So I don't think this car spent too much time out in the snow, because salt would have really raised havoc with it. But this is so well preserved. Redline tires. I think this car probably surprised a lot of people at the stoplight. Very nice indeed.